Have you noticed that groceries, gas, and bills just keep going up? That's inflation, and it can really shake up your budget if you're not prepared. But here's the good news. Understanding how inflation affects your money and making a few smart adjustments can help you stay in control, save more, and reduce financial stress. Inflation is when prices for goods and services increase over time. Basically, your money loses purchasing power. That means $50 today buys less than it did a year ago. And if your income doesn't rise at the same pace, you might notice your budget feels tighter than before. Here's how it shows up in real life. Essentials cost more. Groceries, rent, utilities, gas. Savings lose value. Money in a low-interest account might not keep up. Debt can change. Fixed-rate loans might feel easier, but variable-rate debt gets more expensive. Discretionary spending shrinks, less room for fun, hobbies, or extras. Basically, your old budget may not work anymore, and that's okay. The key is to adjust and stay intentional. Here's what I do to stay in control during inflation. 1. Track your spending carefully. Know exactly how much your essentials have increased. 2. Adjust your budget categories. Essentials might take a slightly larger portion of your income, and fun or discretionary spending may need temporary reductions. 3. Find smart savings. Buy in bulk, shop sales, consider generic brands, or cut unused subscriptions. 4. Increase your income side hustle, freelance work, or using your skills to bring in extra cash. 5. Mindful spending. Ask yourself, do I really need this right now? Minimalism plus intentional spending helps your money go further. Inflation changes, so your budget should too. Review your expenses weekly or monthly, adjust categories if needed, and celebrate progress. Even small wins matter. Remember, your budget is a tool to help you stay in control, not a source of stress. Inflation doesn't have to derail your finances. With a few simple adjustments, tracking, adjusting, saving, and mindful spending, you can take control of your money and protect your budget, no matter what the economy does.